LinkedIn recently released the LinkedIn cover stories, and I will explain you in this video what it is and how you can use it. So stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to the Social Media Sofa. Hey, and welcome back here on my Social Media Sofa. As promised, today I want to tell you more about the new LinkedIn cover stories. With the LinkedIn cover stories, you now have the possibility to show a short 30-second video on top of your LinkedIn profile. Every time a LinkedIn member visits your profile, they will see this cover story in your profile picture. To record these LinkedIn cover stories, you need to use your LinkedIn app on your mobile device. There on your own profile, you have a small plus button near to your profile picture. Click on this button and record your cover story. And in this cover story, in this short video, you can tell the visitor of your profile who you are. So you can introduce yourself. Who are you? What's your name? How is your name really pronounced? What's your current job title? What you're currently doing? And the most important thing is, what do you want from the visitor of your LinkedIn profile? They'll leave a call to action. Call me, write me an email, DM me, visit my featured section, whatever. Please integrate a call to action in your video. That's it for today from my Social Media Sofa. I'm curious, what do you think about this new feature from LinkedIn, the LinkedIn cover stories? Leave me your feedbacks down in the comments. And as always, if you want to keep updated on social media and digital marketing stuff, follow me on LinkedIn. And if you missed a Social Media Sofa session, you will find all sessions also on YouTube. Check it out. Thanks.